wonderful participation of the Zoom classes. Previously completed the major relief divisions, already completed. Totally 6 major relief divisions are there. Previously we have discussed the third one also is completed. Next we can go to the next another major relief is the Thar Desert. This is the fifth major relief. This one, fifth major relief of India. Major relief division. This is the fifth major relief divisions. Fifth major relief division. We can discuss about the Thar Desert. So first, sir can explain the figure 1.11. Once I have to show the pictures. 1.11. A settlement in Thar. Once I have to observe in our textbook. Page number 11. Picture has given in your textbooks a settlement in Thar. Once you have to observe the picture, you have to clear-cut idea about the Thar Desert.
Sir, first slide పెట్టండి sir. Tulasi. Okay.
First,
Okay.
picture has given, Thar Desert has given in your textbooks. Once observe that, you have to clear-cut idea about the Thar Desert. 1 minute. Okay, sir. Okay. Once observe that. This one we have to observe that surrounding totally sand is covered, but sand is covered. Total once you have to observe that. There is no plantation surrounding of the Thar Desert. Generally totally covered of the sand. There is no possibility grow the crops. That is the problem of the desert. Today, the Thar Desert discuss about. This is the fifth major relief divisions. First point, the fifth major relief divisions. Totally, it is located. The Thar located leeward side of Aravalli. Location. Where is the location? Located leeward side of Aravalli. Leeward side of Aravalli. This is located leeward in the edges of Aravalli Mountains. Aravalli Mountains are located in the state of Rajasthan. State. Next, another picture what is the information has given. This is the recorded in Thar Desert, recorded the less amount of the rain. What is the amount of the rain is recorded in your textbooks? Just only 100 to third point. 100 to 150 millimeters means 10 to 15 centimeters. 10 to 15 centimeters. The very less recorded the least rainfall. Really, this is the very surprising. In India, where is the located least rainfall has given to the any general knowledge wise or any question important? Least rainfall is located in Rajasthan. The Thar Desert only 10 to 15 centimeters. Really, the normally in Rajasthan region also recorded the least rainfall. Minimum Rajasthan region recorded more than 100 centimeters of the rain. Minimum. But here only is recorded the 10 to 15 centimeters or the 100 to 150 millimeters. So totally it occupies much western Rajasthan. Totally occupies the western Rajasthan. Totally occupies the western Rajasthan. It has an, what is the climate is located? Arid climate. Arid climate means very sunny places. Recorded highest temperature. In India, highest recorded temperature recorded in Thar Desert. Arid temperature is more than sometimes in summer. Really. Okay, sir.
Madam, sir, what connection, sir? Hey, Babu, మీరు క్లాస్ చేయడానికి వచ్చారా? అపాయింట్మెంట్ గీసేదానికి వచ్చారా? ఉండమల్ల స్కూల్. మీరు గీస్తారనుకో మేము డిలీట్ చేస్తాం. ఇదే లాస్ట్ వార్నింగ్.
So we the members, NSLS fellows, the initiation, honorable secretary sir, AGO sir is the very keen observation, is the very observation for that. Really the institution where the good performance, best performance will give the best knowledge to our institution. Really don't keep that type of the actions. I request all that. So arid atmosphere is in the Thar desert. Arid means so hottest temperature is recorded. Hottest, most hot point in desert is really 50, sometimes recorded 57 to 58 degrees centigrade is recorded of the temperature. Generally in Rayalaseema region, especially in summer, the highest temperature recorded more temperature recorded 45 or 43 actually in Rayalaseema region or state. But 56 to 58 is recorded the highest record temperature in Rajasthan, in especially in the Thar desert, more than 56 degrees. Sometimes recorded 58 degrees. But what is the possibility? How the people are living in Thar desert? What is the difficultness living of the people in Thar desert? Once have the imagination. But they are living present also. Actually, every people has a ACs, air conditions. Really, this is the one of the best opportunity to shape from the hot temperature. But already previously in the science subject is there discussion. Suppose all the members are used to the AC fridges, that is the pollution of the atmosphere. So I already have experience about the in science subject. Next point two, there is only grow the very low vegetation and low vegetation. Low vegetation. Grow the low vegetation. Low vegetation. Generally, there is no possibility to grow the crops. The highest temperature recorded more than 56. Is there any possibility to grow the impossible? Farmers did not grow the crops in the temperature of the 56, 58. So low vegetation. Generally, some trees only, especially the palm trees located. Once I have to observe in pictures. So low vegetation. Observe that only some trees are located in the surrounding of the Thar desert because of the highest temperature. Even rainy season recorded only 10 to 15 centimeters. Low vegetation is recorded in the Thar desert. Only one of the river is flowing in the Thar desert. That is Luni river. Luni river. Only one river is flow in the Thar desert. That is the Luni river. Only river in the area. This is the internal drainage river. This is the internal. Internal river. Internal means we have not seen the water. The water already disappeared upper part of the shaft. They are only covered in the lower part of the water. So the rivers are called the internal rivers. Internal drainage rivers actually. Internal drainage rivers. Drainage rivers. So this is the total information about the Thar desert. Once I have explained that, every point what I have written on the blackboard, you have to underline the points in your textbooks. Who are the members who don't have the textbooks? You have to borrow from your neighbors or the relatives or your brothers or sisters. Textbook is the must to underline the points. If you underline the main points on your textbook with your pencil, that is the easy understanding of the lesson, and you have to write your own answer. I request all the members. Suppose some members don't have the textbooks. Once you have to borrow from your neighbors or the relatives. First point, the Thar desert is the 5th major hill divisions of India. This is located in the lee ward of Aravalli. Leeward and the edges of Aravalli mountains. It is recorded of the rainfall 100 to 150 millimeters. Underline this point, or 10 to 15 centimeters. Lowest rainfall. Next to totally the Thar Desert covered the western part of the Rajasthan. Rajasthan is especially eastern to western, covered of the western Rajasthan. Totally, this is the located of the arid temperature. Means recorded somewhere 50 to 58 degrees Celsius. This is extra information. Some centers are written the extra information. There is no subject in your textbooks. Other subject, extra subject has written on the blackboard. Next, here is located the low vegetation because of the highest temperature is the recorded. Next, only one of the river is flown. One of the river is flown, that is Luni River. This is the internal drainage river. The water flows under level of the channel. That is called internal drainage. So, these are the 7 points of the Thar Desert. But in your textbooks, another extra information has given in Thar Desert. Indira Gandhi Canal listed as extra information. In Thar Desert, Indira Gandhi Canal. Once underline the points. Once you have to underline the points, 1 minute. Visible Next, underline these points, 7 points. That is easy. Next, extra information in your textbooks. Indira Gandhi Canal in the Thar Desert. Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi Canal. Indira Gandhi Canal is the longest canal in our country. Longest canal in Thar Desert. Very important. What is the longest? Nearly 650 kilometers. So, what we part of the Thar Desert? Nearly Indira Gandhi, which is the longest canal in the country, nearly 650 kilometers. What we part of the Thar Desert? This water cannot supply the Rajasthan. This is really one of the excellent performance of the state central government has dig the canal, especially in the period of the Indira Gandhi Prime Minister. So that's why the canal also starting the work is the Indira Gandhi period, but completed the other government period. So that's why Indira Gandhi Canal is the longest canal in our country. It is important. Nearly the length of the canal is 650 kilometers from Chittoor so actually Chittoor to Hyderabad next to Anantapur to Hyderabad only 400 to 450 kilometers. 650 kilometers. What is the distance from the south? This is the wonderful hard work of the central government to dig the canal. Really, appraisement of the central government. This is the Indira Gandhi Canal. Is the longest canal. This is the length of 650 kilometers. This is located. This give the canal, give the water supply to the desert of the Thar Desert. Water supply to Thar Desert. Digging the canal. This is the major important point. Extra information has given distance. Next to coastal plains. Next is second slide. Coastal picture 1.2.
Sir, Tulsi sir, straight attendee.
The coastal plains.
Tulsi sir.
Madam, పెట్టాను second slide పెట్టాను.
Okay, sir.
Coastal plains. What's the textbook has given? Sundarban mangrove. These are the forests located in the coastal line. So, 1 previously major relief tips we have to go to the page number 5. Desert Tarvata, the island is given. But actually the coastal already is not mentioned the coastal plains is not mentioned in this one also major relief. One of the major relief. Another one major relief. But they did not given the separate. They are integral part of the. They did not give the points. That is the mistaken by the textbooks. Okay, no problem. This one of the coastal plains also one of the major relief. This one also one of the major relief. Major relief division. So once you have to observe that total the coastal plains two sides are there. Western coastal, eastern coastal. Two types of the coastal plains are there. Western coastal, two types. Western and eastern. Western and eastern. Two types of the coastal plains are there. Western coastal plain, eastern coastal plains. Western coast start from western coast. This one start. This one start. Western coast start. What is the place? Has given in your textbooks. Start from the Ran of Kutch, Rajasthan. Ran of Kutch. Kutch to western coast started the Ran of Kutch to western coast start Ran of Kutch to what is the place? To Kanyakumari. But western western Ghats started from the Orissa to Orissa and other places we can discuss. Western Ghats have to discuss. Well, next week is Western Ghats. So first the coastal plains also one of the major regions of India. Two types of the coastal plains are there. First one is the western coast. Second one is the eastern coast. So today discuss about the western coast. Western coast. Western coast. Western coast first. This is the already map of eastern, western. This is the one shot of the east.